Sleep. Sleep is everything. It's one of the first things I talk about in my programs when I'm working with my clients. You have to be able to sleep to heal. First rule is any sleep is good sleep. If it is drug-induced sleep, well, any sleep is good sleep. However, some medications do have their symptoms and side effects, grogginess, and so on and so forth. But if you can get away with using a natural solution, by all means. But make sure that follow your medical doctor's recommendations. There's some products here that can really help with sleep. I don't just throw supplements at people and say, okay, this will help your sleep. We look to the why of the sleep problem. So please do that in conjunction with these supplements. Some things you can do is make sure you have ample time to sleep. It seems like a no-brainer, but I see it everywhere. Sleep deprivation due to not allowing enough sleep. Make sure you're getting rid of stimulation before bed, blue light, making sure blue light from screens and TVs and all of that will stimulate you and you won't be able to fall asleep. Make sure it's quiet. Make sure there's no ambient light in the room. Make sure you wash your sheets every week, because just the dust from pillows can actually aggravate the immune system, which drives inflammation, which prevents you from falling asleep. So there are many causes to sleep deprivation, but hopefully some of these suggestions below in conjunction with the lifestyle will help, because they usually do.